Hey, how you doing, brother? Good morning. This is Doc Espinoza from MassiveFlyingBillboards.com. First and foremost, I want to thank you for allowing me to send this screencast out to you. So real quickly today, I'm going to be showing you 3 tips you can do yourself to really beat out your competition and bring more customers to your business online. This short video is just a bit of research and some pointers for you guys, what you can use today to really optimize your traffic. And if you're able, I just really appreciate if you could just send me some feedback, whether it be via email, text message, or phone call. I just really love to know your thoughts on this. In addition, if you have any questions or concerns, please don't hesitate to reach out to me. I must say that there's a lot of value to be considered in this video, and I found out some pretty interesting things about your website and why you may not be receiving traffic. So to begin, the first 3 things, and the first thing I want to focus on is content. So content basically is a description of anything you see on your website, as far as text, images, what these images are saved as, videos, what the videos are saved as. Okay, anything on your website is considered content. And basically, Google wants to see about 1,500 words of content on your front page. And if I put you guys into this word count here, you see you have only 443 words, right? So that would be a start. To be considered authority, you want to have about 1,500 to 2,000 words on your front page. And the reason for this is because you want to give a description about your business, about what is it that you do and where is it that you do it. Also, you want to implement keywords, and keyword is the bread and butter of your business. This is what you're going to be found for, besides Cool and Factor LLC, right? This is how you're going to be found for people, by people that don't know anything about your business, that's searching key terms in Google every month or every day to find services like yours. So, for instance, if someone is searching North Furnace Repair, New Jersey, okay, you see, right? You know, this first section here is this is another ad section. This is a new ad section, actually. This is a map section. This is the organic section, right? So obviously, being in one, this is Home Advisor, right? And this is another business. This is Yelp, and you may see some other businesses here, depending on how they're ranking. So, but obviously, being in one of these positions, at least on the front page, brings you a ton of traffic, right? So what you see when you put this in your website, you're not being found for that, right? But I found out some interesting things for you, because when I go to, this is a software I use called Ahrefs. Now you see you guys are ranking for some organic keywords here. Now if I go into this back page and it shows me that you're ranking for this keyword, but so I get curious and I'm like, you're in the 41st position. Maybe this is newly implemented, I'm not sure. So if I put you guys here and I say, you know, I want to see where's this at on your front page, it's not showing me. So I have a bar on the top of my screen that you may not be able to see it, but basically it says Hvac Repair North New Jersey. This is not a keyword you're being found for. Or the furnace repair New Jersey. The reason why you're not being found for this keyword is because, as you can see, I just want to show you that, getting my screen, the power is being pushed to your front page. Okay, the power is being pushed to your front page, but you're not being found for this. So the reason for this is that when you go to your page, you can see that you have service areas right here. Now, this page right here in particular is not receiving any authority, and people are not coming to this page to look for your services. As you can see, it has no data, no backlinks, it has no organic keywords. It's not there. So that would be something you have to consider and why you're not getting traffic. You want to be pushing that power to your front page, but there's no organic keywords on your front page. So if you have someone doing this for you, you definitely show them this video and they'll be able to help you out with that. The second thing I want to talk about is citations. So what basically citations are is your name, address, phone number listed in various directories throughout the internet. And in order to have these citations, you want to be listed in this Google Map Pack. So to find out this information on citations, you want to there are free softwares out there you can use. Basically, one would be whitespark.ca, and this is a tool that I use. This is about $30 a month, but I'm pretty sure there's some free tools out there you can use as well to find out about citations. So citations is a big thing because it allows you to bring in a lot of trust and authority with Google. And without this trust and authority in Google, you would not be ranking against your competitors. You would just be at the bottom of the page, regardless of what kind of content or keywords you have. So that's number 2 thing. The number 3 thing is backlinks, and backlinks are very important. So if I show you, this is one of your competitors, right? Sorry, right? these guys right here. If I put into this, see this keyword, this is something they're being found for. So if I put this into Google, they're going to be popping up. And as you can see, they're getting a little bit of traffic. But if you was to do what they're doing, putting this in your title and your title tags here and service areas, then you will also be able to beat them out. The reason why you'll be able to beat them out because they don't have a lot of power. They don't have a lot of power here. They don't have a lot of trust there. And basically, this refers around this. You want to have some good referring domains as well, pointing to your page, pushing it power, so you're being found by people that search for your services. So as you can see, we come here. They're being found for furnace repair, Newark, New Jersey. You see they're in the first position for that. Furnace repair, man near me, Hvac Newark, and so forth and so on, right? And the example of this is that because this is their front page. And the reason they're being found for this because they have it right there on the H1 title tag and right here beneath that. So in order to be found for keywords like that, you want to have that on your front page. Those are the three things I wanted to just point out to you today, that you can really do yourself to optimize your traffic. If you have someone doing this for you, you definitely should show them this video and just ask about these things. There is a lot more to be considered when optimizing your page. Like I said, you want to have that content because you want to be considered authority. You want to have more keywords. You want to have some good backlinks. You just don't want to have 31 backlinks, right? Because the thing about this 31 backlinks is that only 16 of them are valid, right? Only 16 of them. And you want to have much more than that. So another thing is that right, when you go to your front page, people are just coming here. They just want to see your number. They want to call. They probably want to have a form submit here, and they want to just, contact your services. But you're not. They have to come here to see that you're getting found for air conditioning, repair Newark, air conditioning services Newark, and boilers Newark. These are keywords. These are key terms. People are searching for these key terms. And as you see, if the more you use and the more you space them out the content, the better Google is easier for them to crawl your page and find out what is it that you do and with the areas that you serve. So those are some tips for you today. Like I said, you do have a beautiful website. I wouldn't change anything about it. Just to recap, the first thing I would do would just to add more content to your front page, add more keywords to this front page, pushing power back to your service areas. And you'll want to add some citations, and citations is basically your information of your business name, address listed throughout the internet on different directories, right? So you want to compete with your competitors on that as well. If they have 50, you want to get 100. If they have 100, you want to get 200, and so forth and so on. And also with backlinks, you want to go get them backlinks and put them in your site, right? So the thing is with this software I use called Ahrefs, is that I'm able to go find these backlinks right here, and I'm able to take them from any other site that's relevant to your site and use them for your site. Because if they're good enough to rank that site, they're good enough to rank yours. Brother, that's basically all I have for you today. Like I said, there is a lot to be considered into this video. A lot of things that you could fix to optimize your website and get more traffic. If you have any questions, I don't mind to help you out with those as well. All right, brother, take care. Have a good evening. Thanks.